What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because right now we are forming here another really interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on the 12-hour chart. Right now, I am watching here a few important things. First one is this falling wedge, especially this resistance of this falling wedge. But do not take it that seriously because this is only a retail setup. But we can count here with a potential liquidity grabs. And the next important area is this bearish order block, which is between levels $1 and 0.931. So right now, I'm expecting we are gonna hit liquidity in this area, and perhaps we are gonna do liquidity grab above this resistance, because a lot of people who will be opening here some short positions, they will probably put their stop losses, or like mostly retail will put their stop losses above this resistance. So it's making only sense to take a liquidity above this area. If you open some long positions on like these lower levels, and right now you are in a profit around 26% of net market, yes, you can take some of the profits on the current levels. But me personally, as I said, I think we are gonna retest liquidity in this area. So let's say I think that it's like a good idea to start taking profits under this bearish order block, because this is additional profit around 13.8% of a net market. Does it mean that right now there is, let's say, a good opportunity to open a long position? And in my opinion, probably no, because on the current levels you don't have here, let's say, interesting area where you can place your stop loss, because right now you can place your stop loss under this bearish order block, last take profit targets above this bearish order block, which will give you a risk reward ratio 0.76, which is actually not that great. So the first potential setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. I hope that the setup that I will show you will be understandable. If not, you can join my Discord group and type me a DM. We can definitely discuss everything you want. I'm answering here to everybody. So if you will have any questions, join my Discord group. You can ask me about anything associated with trading. So as I said, if there will be breakout and then support confirmation of ideally both resistances, so for example something like this, you can open here a long position. Stop loss you need to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, so something like this, price will probably go down and it will be just a fake out. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit targets, well, me personally, I will be aiming for a $2 mark. So potential profit around 96% over that market, potential stop loss around 9.4, which will give us a risk reward ratio around 10.2. Of course, this is not going to be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets so you can manage your position properly. So some of the profits you definitely want to take under this high and this bearish order block. This is super important resistance, and also it will be a liquidity grab above all of these previous important highs. This bearish order block is between levels 1.236 and 1.188. Then some of the profits you can take around level 1.4, 1.6, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be more like 7, something like that, which is still really great setup. So if there will be another pump, which currently need to have around 25% of a net market, this is one of the, let's say, longer term setups that I want to take. Another potential setup on a 12-hour chart will be valid in case of a retest of this area. Honestly, right now, I'm not expecting we are gonna retest this, but if we will, you can open here a limit order somewhere in this area, but you need to place your stop loss under this low. So the stop loss here will be kind of big, so this is not as great as this previous setup, but if we are gonna retest this area, this can be another potential interesting long opportunity. If we will take a look on the 4-hour chart, still we need to watch this potential falling wedge on the 12-hour, but we are having here several interesting bullish order block areas. The most interesting is this first one, which is between level 0.791 and 0.770, and if there will be a small liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows and then a support confirmation in this area, it will be really great long opportunity. Stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Let's assume stop loss will be around 3.27% of a net market, and last take profit target you can then place under this resistance or this bearish order block on the 12-hour chart, something like this, which will give you on the 4-hour chart to really great risk reward ratio. Let's say potential profit will be around 25% because it will take some time until there will be that fake out support confirmation, something like this. We are probably gonna retest this area somewhere around here. So let's say potential profit around 25%, potential stop loss around 3.7%, and this will be risk reward ratio around 7.68, which even with multiple take profit targets, which again you definitely need to take. If I'm gonna switch on a 12-hour chart, some profits take definitely under this bearish order block, so let's say somewhere around 0.85, 0.867, something like that. And then for example under this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target, but still this will give you risk reward ratio around let's say 5, something like that, which is really great. And if you, for example, don't want to watch these charts on your own and you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all for me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.